Oh, dear God.
I was trying to be romantic.
Karl, when we began this affair, we agreed to be discreet. Do you know what discreet means? No skywriting. Oh, God. Poor Orson. Do you know how humiliated he'll be? I have to warn him.
Bree, wait. I made this mess. I'll deal with it. Orson deserves the truth, and he should hear it from me, not a banner.
But
You got a minute? I need to talk to you.
What, here? Can it wait?
Not really.
If this is about the settlement, I told Bree there's very little I want.
That's not the problem. It's what I want. Bree.
You're too late. She has a boyfriend. You?
Hey, if I were a betting man, I'd have lost a bundle on this, too.
So, wait, you're having sex with my wife?
The point is, we don't want to make this any harder for you than it has to be. I just wanted to warn you that in a few minutes... Okay, you're the husband. I'll give you that one. I'm trying to spare your feelings, which is why... That's it. The hell with your feelings. I am proposing to Bree today with an airplane banner, and trust me, that will be the highlight of your day.
One moment, please.